Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I would like to share you how to transform this photo to become this one. As you can see on the left side will be the beautiful, tranquil and super cool neighborhood in the suburban, I guess. And after using the special prompt, this neighborhood can be transformed and decorated with the cool Halloween vibe. How to do that? So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the tool that I used before was the Nano Banana, and here I was accessing it, or I am accessing it also with the Google AI Studio. However, if you would like to do the photo editing with the Nano Banana in Gemini AI, it is pretty okay, and I will also share you the prompt into the description box. And the second step is I will start to upload a picture. And for example, I will choose this one, and after that I will put the prompt into this section, and basically the prompt will be like this: transform a peaceful suburban neighborhood into the spooky Halloween theme street at dusk, and add the glowing carved jack-o'-lantern lining both sides of the walkway like this. This is the pumpkin that usually being the icon of the Halloween. And also soft orange street lights like this, scattered autumn leaves on the ground. So this is the leaves. And also bare trees with hanging ghosts and cobwebs. This is the ghost and also the cobwebs. Include the flying bats flying all around in the sky and slightly foggy, eerie atmosphere. And keep the houses realistic but decorated with the Halloween ornaments, maintaining the cinematic lighting and a cozy yet spooky mood. And after that you can simply run this prompt and kindly wait for the output, guys. And basically I used the same prompt for generate this picture. As you can see, the detail and also the decoration is really beautiful and iconic. And if you got the output and if you feel dissatisfied, don't worry, because you can click this rerun this turn and you will see the another result of this generated picture. So that's all guys. I hope this video finds you helpful and entertaining, and if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on the comment section, because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.